every business, after the computation of trial balance, we will proceed to the final accounting. That means the financial statements prepared consequent to the drawing of trial balance. And this financial statements include, firstly, it is the trading account. Normally in SAP, we do not have the concept of trading account. But in general accounting process, we have a trading account. And then we have profit and loss account, and then it is the balance sheet. First is trading account, and then it is profit and loss account, and then comes the balance sheet. In trading account, we record all the transactions related to factory. Whatever the transaction done in your factory are recorded in the trading account. For example, wages, factory electricity bill, fuels, opening stock, purchase of raw materials, etc. In trading account, we prepare the gross profit and the gross loss. Please remember this, in trading account, we always prepare what? We prepare gross profit and gross loss. In profit and loss account, we record all the transactions related to administration and income, and also the expenses related to admin and sales. For example, like salary, sales promotion, bank interest paid, etc. And in profit and loss account, we get the net profit or net loss. Guys, remember this, in this profit and loss account, what we get? We get the net profit and net loss. In the case of net profit, we have to add to the capital. Yes, in net profit, we have to add to the capital, and in case of the net loss, we have to deduct from the capital. What we have to do? We have to deduct from the capital. Always remember, in SAP, we will just record the business transaction. Rest everything, yes, rest everything like journal entries, GL accounting, trial balance and net loss, net profit and deducting or adding to the capital account, everything, yes, everything will be done by SAP automatically and generate the report. Yes, it is done automatically by SAP and it will be generating a report for us. So, as a good SAP consultant, you should be able to determine whether the GL account is a profit and loss account or whether it is related to a balance sheet. So, during the creation of GL account itself, SAP FICO consultant need to mention it manually whether it's a particular profit and loss account or asset or liability account, that is balance sheet. Guys, system does not determine this automatically. Yes, the system does not determine this automatically. This thing I will be showing you in the future. Don't worry about that now. As a thumb rule, any kind of expenses and incomes will be profit and loss account. Just remember this, okay? As a thumb rule, any kind of expenses and incomes will be profit and loss account. Anything other than this, yes, anything other than this will be balance sheet in most of the cases. Yes, other than this will be the balance sheet in most of the cases. You don't have to worry about it. So, balance sheet can be either the asset or liabilities. In asset, it can be fixed asset or the current asset. Similarly, in liabilities, it can be the fixed liability or the current liabilities. So, let me give you some examples for asset and liabilities. Any machinery, equipment, land, building are fixed assets. These are called as fixed asset because you use it for the longer term. Hence, these are called as fixed assets. Cash, bank balance, current stock, it can be either the raw material or the finished goods. Fixed liability example is capital. Yeah, fixed liability example which I can give is the capital. And the example for the current liability, it is the bank loan, overdrafts and all the expenses which are not paid. And these are called as current liability. I repeat, segregating the GL accounts between the profit and loss account and the balance sheet is very, very important. Yes, it is very important. And always remember that total values of assets and the total values of liabilities must be equal. Yes, it must be equal. If there is mismatch, then there is a mistake in posting. So now you have the clear idea about the accounting flow. Yes, you have got a clear idea about the accounting flow.